Derivation of polynomials. The long method. What is a polynomial expression? A polynomial expression, which is denoted by p of x, is an expression of the form a of n times x to the n power plus a of n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1 plus a of n minus 2 times x raised to n minus 2 and so on, up to a of 1 times x plus a of 0. So, ang ibig sabihin, yung n dito, yung exponent ng x na n, yun ang degree nung polynomial expression. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nababawasan siya, naging n minus 1, n minus 2, hanggang maging x raised to the first power, then x to the 0, which is equals to 1. So, ang last term ay ang constant term, wherein a of n should not be equal to 0. Kasi pag nag-equal sa 0 yan, so hindi na siya polynomial expression. So, magiging 0 na lahat. Then, the exponent of x here, which is n, is a non-negative number. It is the degree of the polynomial. And the numerical coefficient are all real numbers. The standard form of a polynomial expression is written in descending powers of x. For example, 8x to the 5th plus 7x to the 4th minus 6x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 9. Now, if you notice, the exponent here is decreasing. X to the 5th, x to the 4th, hanggang maging x to the first power. Hanggang x to the 0 power yan. And we know that x to the 0 power is equals to 1. All number raised to 0 is equals to 1. Kaya yung last term niya ay constant term. To understand further what is a polynomial, let us try to determine if the expression is a polynomial or not. Given 3x plus 2, is this a polynomial or not? This is a polynomial. Then, we have 4 over x plus 3. This is not a polynomial. Bakit? Because there is a variable in the denominator. So, there should be no variable in the denominator. 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 6x minus 7. Is this a polynomial or not? This is a polynomial. X raised to negative 3 plus x squared minus 8. This is not a polynomial because the exponent is negative. X times the square root of 3. This is a polynomial. Kasi ang nasa loob naman ng radical sign ay real number. Hindi naman variable ang nasa loob ng radical sign. Then we have 4 times the square root of x. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because the variable is in radical form. X cubed plus x raised to 1/2 plus 3x minus 6. This is not a polynomial also because the variable has a fractional exponent. Now, let us recall how you divide a whole number. So, kung naalala nyo, mula grade 1 hanggang grade 6, tinuruan kayo paano mag-divide ng whole number. So, let us have a review first. Given 1,234 divided by 7. So, paano ba mag-divide niyan? Una, yung nasa loob ng sign na to, ng division sign. 1 divided by 7 cannot be. Kaya ang gagamitin natin, 12. 12 divided by 7, 1. So, saan mo ilalagay ang 1? Ilalagay mo yung 1 dun sa huling digit nung dinivide mo. So, 1 times 7, 7. Then, you subtract. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then, bring down the next number. The next number is 3. So, we have 53. 53 divided by 7. 7. So, ilalagay mo yung 7 sa ibabaw nung 3. 7 times 7, 49. Next, subtract. 53 minus 49, 4. Meron pa ba tayong i-bring down? So, pag meron kang bring down, magdi-divide ka uli. 44 divided by 7, 6. Then you multiply. 6 times 7, 42. So, 44 minus 42 is 2. May i-bring down pa ba? So, wala na. So, pag wala ka nang i-bring down, tapos na yung iyong division. Yung naiwan doon sa ibaba, yun ang tinatawag nating remainder. So, the remainder is 2. So, ang tawag natin sa 176 ay quotient. Kasi quotient is the answer in division. And the number here, 1,234. Okay, dito muna tayo sa 7. 7 here is called the divisor. And 1,234 is called the dividend. So, what is now the answer? 1,234 divided by 7 is equals to 176 plus yung remainder, fractional part na lang siya nung dinivide mong 1,234. Kaya naging 176 plus 2 over 7. So, remainder over divisor. Ganon din ang pag-divide sa polynomials. Let us divide polynomials using the long method. Kung paano kang nag-divide ng whole number, ganon din yung method natin sa pag-divide ng polynomial. So, given 2x squared plus 6x minus 13 divided by x plus 5. First step, sa dividend, yung first term na 2x squared, i-divide mo sa first term ng divisor. So, 2x squared divided by x is 2x. Then, you multiply. 2x times x is 2x squared. Then, 2x times positive 5 is positive 10x. Now, since we are dealing with sign numbers and the next step is to subtract, we will change the sign of the subtrahend. So, itong 2x squared na dating positive, gagawin nating negative. And positive 10x will become negative 10x. So, let us now simplify. 2x squared and negative 2x squared, 0. So, cancel. Then, positive 6x minus 10x is negative 4x. So, after you subtract, titingnan mo kung meron kang i-bring down. May i-bring down pa ba? Meron. Ano? Yung negative 13. So, bring down negative 13. Pag may bring down ka, magdi-divide ka uli. How do you divide? Yung first term na negative 4x, i-divide mo rin dun sa first term nung divisor. So, negative 4x divided by x is negative 4. Then, you multiply. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 5, negative 20. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 4x here became positive 4x. Negative 20 became positive 20. Then you simplify. Negative 4x and positive 4x, 0. Cancel. Negative 13 plus 20 is positive 7. So, wala ka nang i-bring down. Therefore, 7 here is the remainder. So, this means, okay, 2x minus 4 is the quotient. 2x squared plus 6x minus 13 is the dividend. X plus 5 is the divisor. So, 2x squared plus 6x minus 13 divided by x plus 5 is equals to 2x minus 4 plus the remainder 7 over x plus 5. Another example. Divide 10x squared plus 3x to the fourth plus 6 plus x plus 7x cubed by 3x squared plus x minus 1. Hindi ka kagad magdi-divide. Bago ka mag-divide, you will arrange first. Before you divide, rewrite the polynomials in standard form. Ibig sabihin, arrange the polynomial in descending powers of x. So, don't forget to write the missing coefficients for missing degrees. So, tingnan natin sa dividend. Ang pinakamataas na exponent ay 3x to the fourth. Then, positive 7x cubed. So, descending powers of x. So, we have 3x to the fourth plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus x plus 6. Divided by, ang divisor natin ay 3x squared plus x minus 1. Next step, divide mo yung first term sa dividend doon sa first term ng divisor. 3x to the fourth divided by 3x squared is x squared. Then you multiply using distributive property of multiplication. X squared times 3x squared is 3x to the fourth. Then x squared times positive x is positive x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Yung 3x to the fourth, dating positive, naging negative 3x to the fourth. Yung positive x cubed, naging negative x cubed. At yung negative x squared, naging positive x squared. Then proceed to addition. 3x to the fourth minus 3x to the fourth, 0 or cancel. Then 7x cubed and negative x cubed is positive 6x cubed. 10x squared and positive x squared is positive 11x squared. Pagkatapos mong mag-subtract, tingnan mo kung meron pang i-bring down. So, pag mag-bring down ka, isa-isang term lang. So, i-bring down natin yung positive x. So, pag nag-bring down, magdi-divide ulit tayo. 6x cubed divided by 3x squared is positive 2x. Then you multiply. Positive 2x times 3x squared is positive 6x cubed. Positive 2x times x is positive 2x squared. Then positive 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ito ay naging negative 6x cubed, naging negative 2x squared, at naging positive 2x. So, 6x cubed minus 6x cubed, 0 or cancel. Then, 11x squared, negative 2x squared, we have 9x squared. Positive x and positive 2x is positive 3x. So, tapos ka nang mag-subtract. Meron pa bang i-bring down? Meron. Bring down positive 6. So, pag nag-bring down, magdi-divide ka uli. 9x squared divided by 3x squared is positive 3. Then, you multiply. 3 times 3x squared is 9x squared. 3 times x is positive 3x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then, subtract again. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, naging negative 9x squared, naging negative 3x, and naging positive 3. Then, you simplify. Yung 9x squared minus 9x squared at yung 3x minus 3x, cancel sila. So, ano na lang? 6 plus 3, we have 9. Wala na tayong i-bring down. Therefore, 9 here is the remainder. So, our answer now is, when you divide 3x to the 4th plus 7x cubed plus 10x squared plus x plus 6 divided by 3x squared plus x minus 1, the answer is x squared plus 2x plus 3 plus the fractional part, which is 9 over 3x squared plus x minus 1. Next example. Divide negative x squared plus x minus 12 by x plus 2. So, same step. Before you divide, rewrite the polynomials in standard form. Don't forget to write the missing coefficients for missing degrees. So, our dividend now is x to the 4th. Bakit ako naglagay ng 0x cubed here? Kasi ang highest exponent ay 4. So, x to the 4th. Ang kasunod ng x to the 4th ay x cubed. E dito sa ating dividend, walang x cubed. Kaya maglalagay tayo ng plus 0x cubed. Meron bang x square? Meron. Ayun, negative x square. Meron bang x to the first power? Wala. Kaya maglalagay ka ng plus 0x. Minus the constant term, which is 12. And our divisor is x plus 2. Same process. Divide the first term by the first term. X to the 4th divided by x is x cubed. Then you multiply. X cubed times x, x to the 4th. Then x cubed times 2 is positive 2x cubed. When you subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, x to the 4th, negative x to the 4th, 0 or cancel. Then, 0x cubed minus 2x cubed is negative 2x cubed. After you subtract, titingnan kung may i-bring down. Bring down, negative x squared. Pag nag-bring down, balik uli sa division. Negative 2x cubed divided by x is negative 2x squared. Then you multiply. Negative 2x squared times x is negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x squared times positive 2 is negative 4x squared. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Then proceed to addition. So, 2x cubed, negative 2x cubed, positive 2x cubed, cancel or 0. Negative x squared plus 4x squared is positive 3x squared. Then bring down positive 0x. Then divide. 3x squared divided by x is positive 3x. Multiply. 3x times x is positive 3x squared. Then 3x times positive 2 is positive 6x. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ito, cancel. Then, 0x minus 6x is negative 6x. Bring down, negative 12. So, kung may i-bring down, magdi-divide uli. Negative 6x divided by x is negative 6. Then, multiply. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times positive 2 is negative 12. Subtract. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Now, so 6x, negative 6x, positive 6x, negative 12, positive 12. Pag sinubtract mo yan, the answer is 0. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? That means there is no remainder. So, our answer now is x to the fourth minus x squared minus 12. Bakit hindi ko na sinulat dito yung 0x cubed? Kasi isusulat na natin siya sa standard form. So, hindi pwede yung 0 ang numerical coefficient. Ginamit lang natin yan dito para maayos natin siyang ma-divide at hindi malito yung kanyang exponent. So, we have x to the fourth minus x squared minus 12 divided by x plus 2 is equals to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. Walang remainder. So, that's all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. This is Teacher Nati saying, let us thank God for all the blessings that He has given us.